Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, crochet a super cute top inspired by Pinterest. You can also turn this top into a dress simply by crocheting more rows to make it longer. Or you can make a bikini top by only crochet the two cup and the back panel and without the bottom part. Here is the pattern for the top in case you want to read it. For the materials, I used about 150 grams of cotton yarn. Okay, so for the foundation, I start with chain 20. After 20 chain foundation, we chain one more to start row 1 of single crochet. Skip the last one, work on the second. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Keep work single crochet in the back. Skip the last one, work on the second. After 2 rows of single crochet, now I'll increase. In order to do that, I'll work 2 single crochet into 1 last stitch. 2 single crochet in the same last stitch. 1, 2. Now I'll work the few rows, not increase or decrease, just the same stitches. So for normal rows, we chain 1 and turn our work. Okay, so for the foundation, I start with chain 20 and then to make row 1 of single crochet, I chain 1 and turn my work and work 20 single crochet. Row 1 and row 2 the same. And then from row 3 to row 23, I increase 1 stitch each row at the end of that row. Then from row 22, I work the same at row 23 without increase or decrease. And now I'll do 10 rows of decrease 1 stitch each row at the end of that row. And then work 2 rows of 20 single crochet, like the reverse of the process, to make this again. To decrease stitch at 2 last stitches, we will do like this and this, and then pull through 3 like that, and we just decrease 1 stitch. Then turn your work, chain 1 and turn your work, and work as always single crochet. Until we reach the end of the row again. We will also decrease one stitch here until we have like this. I just finished the first cup. Now I'll start the second one right here like this. Repeat the technique that I made this one here. So I will start with first 2 rows of 20 single crochet, chain 1 and turn my work. Work 2 rows of single crochet. Just repeat the process from here to there. I just finished the 2 cups. Now I'll use only one yarn, this one here, to crochet the back panel. The back panel will have the width equal to this front panel, which is about 45 centimeters, and I'll do double crochet. First chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn my work and work double crochet. At the end of the row, chain 3 and turn your work. And work double crochet. I just finished the back panel 45 centimeters. Now I'll use slip stitch to join this together. Now I'll work a row of fans around this. First chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work two double crochet, 1, 2, then chain 1, and work 3 more double crochet in the same hole, same stitch, like this. I'll work another fan here. Start with 3 double crochet and then chain 1 and 3 more and a fan here. Repeat this until we are done 1 row of fan all around this. Now I'll crochet the bottom part of this top. Start from here. Make 2 double crochet like this. 1 and 2 in the same stitch and pull through and chain 2. Then make 3 more double crochet like that. 1 2 3 and pull through and here I'll make the same. First 3 double crochet, 1 2 then 3 chain 2 and make 3 more. When finished row 1, just close it. Then slip stitch to the center of the fan like this. So after row 1, it will look like this. Now I'll make row 2. Alright, so now the hard part is over. We'll probably just chill out for the rest of the top. Just repeat row of this fan. Oh, this is so cute. Should I stop here to use it like a bikini? From now on, I'll do rows like this. And to do that, I'll chain 3. I'll chain 2, 1, 2, and the first 3 chain will act like 1 double crochet, and the last 2 chain will act like this one, space between. So here I'll work a fan like this, like a normal fan. And then chain 2, then work 1 double crochet and chain 2 and work a fan here. For next row, we will work a fan above this and work 1 double crochet above this, a fan above this,